weekend ngayon guys. So, kailangan na nila ng kanilang sahod. Yung anak ko, sasahuran na natin sila ng dollars. So, around mga 5, marami akong dollars. Yan. So, bawat isa sila, tagpa $5 sa kanila. Bali yan yung sahod nila. 5 linggo. Kasi every week binibigyan sila ng $1. So, binuo ko yung kasi wala akong maliliit na bariya. Wala pala akong tago $1. Tawagin na natin sila para sa kanilang sahod. Hi guys! Come!
Yeah?
What are you doing there? Oh, I fall on line. Line!
Huh?
Line!
I already have a lot.
Line! Line! Okay?
Yeah.
So now, I will gonna give you your
$5.
salary. Okay? So $5 for you. Thank you so much for working in the house.
Thank
Hope
you,
you will
Queen.
continue working so that you will get your salary. And here's for you.
Thank you.
What you gonna do with your money?
I will buy.
You wanna buy? Or you wanna keep?
I want to buy chips.
You wanna buy chips? We're gonna do chips.
I'm gonna buy healthy. But then I don't. They don't have the chips. You just buy tortilla chips. I
Wow.
don't like those.
It's really heavy. Yung kanyang piggy bank
It's like
pink.
heavy.
Brothers piggy bank is blue. It's getting heavier.
Why is it not heavy? They're not gonna. What? Mine is very heavy.
Alright. Keep your money, guys.
I think yes, mommy. My piggy bank is heavy.
So at least, motusan na sila sa bahay. Marunong silang magtrabaho. Ang pinaka-importante doon, guys, ay marunong silang magtipid o mag-ipon ng pera. Kasi para malaman nila na yung hirap ba, kung gaano kahirap kumita ng pera. So, madali bang gastusin o hindi. Kaya kung may bibilihin sila sa labas, sabi ko sa kanila, gamitin mo pera mo. Ayaw nilang bilhin kasi nanginayang din siguro. Gawin nyo guys sa anak nyo, marunong yan sila magpahalaga sa pera. Try nyo.
I did show